YouTube, welcome to my new video. My name is Tithi. There are lots of amazing websites over the internet, and among those I have chose the top 5 amazing websites that you probably didn't know existed. So let's start. Number 1. The website is Threadbot. Go to Google and write Threadbot. This is a website which shows the internet attack attribution map. You get to see the live hacking attack details and also what software being used for the attack with the source and destination details. Sounds quite pretty, right? Yeah, it is. It also produces a type of beep beep sound from the video games from the 80s that I can't make you hear for some problems my device is having. I can't make you hear that sound. So, what are you waiting for? Go and check out this amazing site and find out who is hacking whom. Pretty amazing, right? Yeah. Number 2, archive.org. This is also an amazing website. So, let's start with it. With this website, we can see the history of any website starting from its beginning. Just like go and search for youtube.com and you will get the answer. When you search for youtube.com, and you will get to see all these dates highlighted and click on any of them that you want to see, like I am doing. So I'm clicking on 29 April 2005 and we will get to see how YouTube used to look at that time. So just like this, quite amazing, right? Like this you can see different dates and click on it to see how it used to look at that time. Just like I'm clicking on 5th December 2005 again, and we can get to see how it used to look at that time. Just like this. So it's quite amazing to see how some website used to look at some point of time when we did not knew about it. So go and check it out. Number 3, kickassapp.com. This is my favorite site out of all this site. And I bet if you are a gamer, you are going to love this site. First, you need to drag this button on the bookmark, then visit the site on which you want to try. After visiting the site, you have to click on that blue saved bookmark that you just saved. This is just a prank that you will mostly enjoy. Mostly a spaceship type of thing. For its movement you can use the arrow keys, and for shooting the site element you can use the spacebar. Left and right key are used for directional movements, and up and down arrow keys are used for accelerator and brake. So it's quite fun to destroy these popular websites, right? Sorry YouTube. So what's you waiting for? Go and check out these websites in your leisure time. Number 4, radio.garden. Go and check out this website. You can already get a rough idea about this website by its name. Yeah, this website lets you tune into 1,000 radio stations from all around the world. It's quite amazing that you can explore so many music throughout the world by this website. This world is your tuning dial. You can listen to any channels you wish that this website has, without the need of any radio or FM. It is quite nice to explore new languages and explore the music taste you have. So go and check it out. It's pretty amazing and I'm sure you will love it. As I have mentioned before, that for some reason I can't make you hear the sounds. So go and check this out and you will understand how amazing this site is. All these green dots are the radio stations available. Number 5, hackertyper.net. This is also one of my favorite sites, and I'm sure you are also gonna make it your favorite too. Let's check out why. Go and visit this site and just start typing randomly with any keystroke, just random typing. This will convert these keystrokes into some hacking code, which you will find similar to some sci-fi movies
hacking scenes. Huh, but make sure these are not real hacking. Real hacking is totally different than whatever is shown in Hollywood movies. Hacking is not really that fancy. And there's some programming magic behind the scenes that makes the website look like this and nothing else. Go on typing to get the final result. For getting the final result, you have to press the Alt key and it will show access granted. And that's it. So, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. I hope you have liked the video, and there are lots of more video on my channel. Go check it out. The link is given in the description. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.